Hi and welcome to the pre-sales section of this video series, and we're gonna talk about meeting with your client for the first time. So I prepared some, few talking points about this, and we're gonna go over the first meeting with your client. We're gonna go over the understanding of their business needs, get and take some notes about what they need, the features, and some information, and then we're gonna translate everything into business, which is what we're here for. So for the first meeting, you're gonna want, before you go to the meeting, you want to research the business. You want to know, what is this company doing, why do they do that. The reason you want to do that is because you want to get more information on the different technologies that they use. So you wanna get there with some insight, some knowledge about them, and this is pretty much how you approach a job interview. You wanna know before you go to your interview. You wanna know about the company. You really don't wanna ask the company, "Hey, what do you guys do?" So you know. So the next thing that you're gonna try to do, or you're gonna do, is get some information on their business, and then you're gonna try to match it with case studies. So Cisco has prepared a nice UC landing page, and then they have this section called case studies. I'm gonna post the page in just a minute, but if you want to look it up yourself, you can just go and do Cisco Unified Communications use case, and then this is gonna take you to cisco.com go/collaboration, so which is the page that I am at right now. You want to go to the use cases, and then you're gonna see some different use cases that they have listed here. Okay, and then you're gonna try to match some of them, or the ones that they have, based on your client. So you're gonna see by industry, line of business, and business goals, and the list goes on and on. You have retail, technology, and you have them by region, which is very nice. Now, once you have that, of course, look them up on LinkedIn, know what they do. And the next thing, when you are in the meeting, this is what's gonna happen. The account manager is gonna introduce you, and the client is gonna talk about their business. They wanna they maybe have some knowledge about UC and collaboration technologies. Maybe they have worked with that in the past. So keep in mind that the customer may have some insight, and they want to clarify, they want to explain to you what they need, and that's what you're there for, to provide your expertise, and then answer the questions that they have. So the next thing is, you're gonna take notes. I mean, you're always gonna take notes in the meeting, and the idea is for you to capture some information. You want to capture the number of users, number of phones. You want to capture their locations, if they do have a data center, or if they have a data center, a headquarters location, and two other branches across the US or across the world. Those are things that you want to know. You want to know about the connectivity between those sites, and you want to know the basics to get started. And this is gonna help you doing the design and the planning of your project. Now, there are some questions that you may want to ask about their call center, if they do have one. Actually, we're gonna be working on a sample customer that has a call center. You want to know the list of features, and then you're gonna translate everything into technology. So this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna explain the customer that your phone system, or the phone system that you're proposing, has the ability to do ABC features that they need. There are some limitations. There are some things that the system can do, cannot do, why they cannot do it, why it cannot do it. So that's your homework. That's actually something that you have to go in deep in you researching about the technology. Now, as you see, there's a nice list about different things. I know you're looking at the vaccine needs, and then you're like, that's vaccine is dead. Well, vaccine is not dead. In many countries, in Europe, there's a lot of vaccine. In Latin America, there's a lot of vaccine. Even here in the U.S., insurance companies do a lot of vaccine and medical companies. So you may want to take a look into it and be prepared if that's what the customer needs. In our example, we're not gonna go over vaccine, so but we're gonna keep it in mind just in case. And that was all about this video. Hopefully you will see the entire series, and then you will see as the video progresses. So thank you for watching.